This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in downtown Mount Prospect, looking at a Metra train that will take you downtown in about 33 minutes at rush hour. Panning around for a look at the scene here. Starbucks directly across the street, the Oberweis Dairy next door to it. Variety of shops and restaurants. And I'm headed 2 short blocks north for a walk through one of the apartments at the all-new 10 North Main. I've just stepped into apartment 409, a one-bedroom model, looking at a very sleek kitchen. White quartz counters, wide undermount stainless steel sink, a gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment. There's a built-in dishwasher and microwave. Side-by-side refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door. 4-burner gas range, 42-inch upper cabinets. Contrasting upper and lower cabinets. There's blonde, wide plank flooring extending throughout the apartment. Great breakfast bar peninsula here. Looking out toward a balcony. Turning for a look at in-unit washer dryer. Really nice sized living dining area here. Modeled with a home office desk. Some people may want to place a dining room table in that position and put their desk closer to the window. Turning into the bedroom. It's a generously sized room, modeled with a king-size bed. Plenty of space for additional furniture. Turning into walk-through closet, hanging on both sides. Bath also has sleek finishes. There's a walk-in shower, a frameless glass door, vanity, strip lighting in the mirror above the vanity, and a tandem entry out to the living dining area. 10 North Main is all new. Variety of layouts with upscale kitchen and bath finishes, fitness center, resident lounges, terrific location. Definitely want to put 10 North Main on your must-see list when you're looking for a great apartment in Chicago's northwest suburbs. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.